Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of my finished Traveler's Notebook. Here, this is actually an old book that I took the pages out of and then stuck this binder inside, just using the brads that came with it. Then I also put a hole up here to clip on this tassel, which I made. So, open it up here, and here's just a little cover page, and I did remember to put the date on. So this one I started in April 2019. And then a lot of these will be printable kits and pages from Pixel Scrapper. So this is one of my Journal Me kits that just prints out and fits right in here for when you have a blank spot in your notebook that you're not quite sure what to do with. And then to start out here, I have a little journaling page, which is another one of those printables. And here are just, the background page here is also a printable, but then everything else here is just from my stash. And so here's another one of these printable pages here, and then I've just stuck in a few little bits and bobs and then made this page over here. I generally just like to have a photo on one side of my notebook, and I don't really like making title pages, so having these pages to just print out and stick in works well for me. This is a fun one. I think these background papers here are from Allison Pennington. I printed out, and then most of the stuff is just from my stash. And this here is just a typewriter font that I use on my computer. So I don't actually have a typewriter, but I like to fake it. And here's another journaling page. I think this, and this is actually transparency that I printed out as well from one of my kits. I think this is the June bundle. I think this is just a fake tag. Here's some more pages from the same kit with another transparency. Just kind of fun. I just like to have a little bit of extra flair in my notebook, and that's another reason I like having the binder instead of just a notebook. You can see this one. I've made it extra puffy, so I do my kind of more 3D elements in this kind of notebook because of the binder, and then also it lets you easily stick in the transparencies or other random pages. This one is, I believe, the August kit. So just a nice bright page. And this one is the September one here with a fun shaker pocket here. And I can link all these kits down below. Well, and these are ones that I still need to photograph. But this one is from Rachel Ertog. It's called The Weekend, these papers. So I kind of created this page here so I could have something nice to stick here. And these are all just some different scraps that I had laying around, just kind of working to use up some of my stuff. Here's a nice little one where I tried to use my alpha stickers and make a title. Not something I'm super into. And then here again, just some more things from my stash. Here's a fun piece of vellum that I had, and I just stuck it here so that I could put photos on both sides. I don't think it's too busy to have photos on both sides, especially if they're unrelated as they are in this case. So being able to stick the vellum in here is quite nice. Then I just finished here with the date that I finished at. So you can see here, there's a good number of layouts in here, and you can see it's a bit a bit thicker because I do like to use, you know, like wood veneers and other, these rhinestones, other puffy things that I probably wouldn't use in my actual notebooks. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.